Hello and welcome back to my YouTube channel. Today I will show you some string methods that are available in Python. So let's start. The first string method that I'm going to show you is capitalize. So capitalize method and string. So I'll take a string variable is equal to, I'll take it as Python. I'll use capitalize method in this and I'll return it and I'll print it. Print string variable dot capitalize. I'll run this function and we'll check what is the output. So we can see it has printed Python with P in capital. So capitalize method capitalizes the first letter. The second method that I'm going to show you is case fold. So case fold method. This method actually converts all the characters which are available in the word or the string, complete string, to lowercase. So I'll take a string var 2 is equal to, I'll take a word Python and I will print string variable 2 dot case fold. Let's run this. Okay, as you can see, it has converted the capital letter Python to lower letter. Now if we pass small letter Python itself, then nothing will happen to the string. So it will just return the lowercase letter. It won't change it to capitals. As you can see, it only converts the capital letters to lowercase letters. Okay. Now next we will use find method. Find method in Python string actually finds a string and it returns the index value. As we know that string in Python actually gets converted into an array. It searches for the word and then it returns the index of the word, starting of the word, right? So what happens is, if the word is not found in the string or a sentence, if the word is not found, then it returns with -1, right? So what we will do is, we'll take a string sentence, value of the string is 20. Now we will check, we will find a word and we will check the value. So first I will test for a negative value. So I'll print string sentence dot find and then I'll give a value here. I'll give a value forget and I will run this. It should print -1. So as you can see, the string is not found, so it has printed -1. Now if we give something which is present, such as value, then it will return 0, right? So it starts from 0 as all the array starts, so it will print 0 here. Okay, let's search for is. If we run this, we can see it prints the index of is. So this is the 20th index. Okay, next I will show a string method which is lower. This method checks if the string is in lowercase. If it is in lowercase, it returns as true. If it is not in lowercase, it returns as false. So let's see how it works. String lowercase test is equal to, I'll just pass something, Python, and then I will print string lowercase test dot is lower. So here it should print as false because P is capital. So we got the value as false. Now I'll change this P to lowercase and we'll run the function again. So we got true here now. Similarly, I will test for the next one is upper. So it will check if the characters are in uppercase. Is upper method. So string upper case test. Okay. So here I will write Python and then I will print string uppercase test is upper. So it will print it as false because all the characters are not in uppercase. So it prints it as false. Now we will make all the characters here in uppercase. We'll just copy paste from here and we'll run the function again. You can see it is true. So this upper is upper tests for the string to be in uppercase. If the string is in uppercase, it returns as true. If it is in lowercase, if any of the word or any of the alphabet is in lowercase, then it returns as false. Next method that I'm going to show you is strip, right? Strip method. Suppose a string has spaces. To remove spaces either on the left hand side or the right hand side, we use strip method, right? String strip test is equal to, I'll just use figure Python. So I have given two spaces. This is one space and this is the other space. What I'll do is I'll use strip here. So print string strip test dot strip. If we use this and we run this, here we can see it has trimmed the end part of the space in this. Let's give a little bit more space here and here, and then we will print something as this is I'll use double quotes. This is a figure of Python. Okay, so now we will run this, and as you can see, there is a lot of empty spaces here and here, and we are using strip. So what will happen is only this part will get appended to the complete string. So as you can see, this is the string. Now if we don't use strip, what happens if we don't use strip? Let's see. So if we use directly, then we can see there is an empty space here and there is an empty space at the end. You can see here, see, we cannot copy from here because there is nothing there, but as there is an empty space beyond Python, we can see this empty space also being captured. Okay, now we will show you another example for rstrip method. Rstrip is nothing, it will strip the right part of the spaces. So anything beyond Python, so this is the right part of the string and this is the empty space that will get removed when we use rstrip. So we'll print it, print str strip test dot rstrip. So it will remove the right part of the, so I'll print it. As you can see, there is no space and it has not removed the left part of the spaces, it has removed the right part of the spaces. Now I'll show you else strip method print str strip list dot else strip. So it will remove the left part of the spaces, it will not remove the right part of the spaces in the next example. So as you can see, it has removed the left part of the spaces, that is this one, and the right part of the space is still there. So we can actually use this strip method to the fullest to remove extra spaces present in the string or a sentence. Next one I'll show you is swap case. Okay, swap case method in Python string. So in this one, if a string value has something on lowercase, it will change it into uppercase, and if something is in uppercase, it will change it into lowercase. So first we'll try this one, this method on this variable string uppercase test. So we'll use this variable. I'll print dot swap case, and then I will use another variable print string lowercase test. We'll copy the lowercase test one dot swap case, and we'll run this. So as you can see, the first one was in capital and it has got printed in smaller letter, and this one was in smaller, it has been changed into capital letters or uppercase letters. So that's it for today's video. If you like the content that I am sharing, please do consider subscribing to my channel, and do comment and like my videos if you like the content. Thank you so much.